What's going on, guys? It's Byron here at JTech, and I want to run y'all through a few of the main components of the heating and AC system for your vehicle. This also shows how your Freon flow, what components it hit, and what order it also goes. The first component that your Freon going to hit is the compressor. The second one is your condenser, and right here you can also see your fans. Third one is your dryer. This will have your desiccant sock in it. Take out your moisture from out your lines, your AC system. And these are the lines, high and low pressure valve. Also, left is high pressure, the right is low pressure, and the left one is high pressure. I always want to charge to your low pressure side also, 9 times out of 10, but just check to make sure. This right here is your temperature control. Turn your AC up, turn it down, turn the heat up, turn it down, turn your defrost on, recycle your air. And right here is your HVAC module. This is kind of like a unit that has multiple things in it. You can find your evaporator in there. You can find your H block in there, or your TXV valve in there. You got your vents. All right, there you go. There's some of your main components. This is Byron. I'm out.